Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, today we are diving deep into the world of packed distillation column, particularly focusing on the type of packing used. Okay? Guys, packed columns are crucial in chemical engineering for various separation processes, including distillation and adsorption. Guys, the packing type you choose can greatly affect the column performance in terms of their efficiency, pressure drop, and operational costs. Okay? Guys, in this video, we will explore the two main categories of packings, which is structured packing and random packing, and their types and applications. Okay guys? So let's get started. Guys, before we start with the types of packing in packed column distillation, first of all we will look at the basics of packing in packed columns. Guys, packed column enhances the interaction between the liquid and gas phase by providing a larger surface area through the packing material. Okay guys? As you all know that in a distillation column, there are various type of packings placed at various intervals. And that is because to have a liquid and gas vapor phase interaction between each other, and with the help of packed columns, they provide a larger surface area through the packing material. Okay? Simple? Guys, this interaction of gas and vapor phase is vital for the efficient separation processes. Better the interaction, better will be the separation in processes. Okay guys? Guys, the packing material is typically chosen based on the factors like flow rates, separation requirement, and cost considerations. Simple? Now, let's look at the two primary types of packing, which is structured packing and random packing. Guys, first of all, we are going to begin with the structured packing. Guys, structured packing is known for its orderly arrangement and precise geometry. Okay? Guys, this design allows for higher surface area and minimum pressure drop. Got it? Means in simple words, guys, in structured packing, the packing which is placed in the distillation column are structured, which are orderly arranged and are of precise geometry, which you all can see in the photo which is displayed on the right side, right? They are orderly arranged and are of precise geometry. Okay? And guys, this type of design, which is structure packing in structure packed distillation column, allows higher surface area which benefits the contact of gas and vapor and also provides minimum pressure drop. Okay? Simple? Now guys, let's break down the types of structure packing you might encounter. Okay? From which there are three types of structure packing. From which the first is the wire gauze structured packing, then the second is perforated plate structured packing, and the third is protruded plate structured packing. Okay? So first of all, we will start with the first type, which is wire gauze structured packing. Guys, wire gauze structured packing is made up of various type of metal wires such as stainless steel, monel, or copper woven into wire gauze, which you can clearly see in the photo that the wires which can be of stainless steel, monel, copper are woven into our wire gauze, and it is known for its low pressure drop and higher separation efficiency. Okay guys? And this type of packing, which is wire gauze structured packing, makes it ideal for precise and vacuum distillation processes. Clear? So guys, this was in a brief about wire gauze structured packing. Now we are proceeding towards its advantages, which is from which the first advantage is the low pressure drop, which reduces the energy cost and improves our operational efficiency. Right? The second advantage is they are suitable for high purity separation, and due to which they have high separation efficiencies. Okay? So guys, these were the two advantages of wire gauze structure packing. Talking about the disadvantages now, the first disadvantage is the cost. as this type of packing can be more expensive due to the high quality materials used in building of it. Okay? And second disadvantage is the durability, as this type of packing requires more maintenance depending on their operating conditions. Okay? So this was all about wire gauze structured packing. Now, the second type of structured packing is perforated plate structured packing. Guys, in perforated plate structured packing, the packing is made up of metal plates that are perforated with 5 mm holes and they are corrugated together. Guys, this design ensures even liquid distribution and improves the surface wettability of this packing material. Which means, guys, in comparison to the wire gauze structure packing, this type of packing have metal plates with perforations on it and they are corrugated together, and due to which there is even liquid distribution compared to the other types of packing, and this improves the surface wettability of the packing. Means the better the surface wettability, the better will be the contact and the better will be the separation. Okay? Guys, this type of packing is known for its high tensile strength and excellent corrosion and rust resistance. Okay? And this makes it suitable for large diameter towers and high liquid boiling applications. Okay? So guys, this was a brief about perforated plate structured packing. Guys, the pictorial representation of perforated plate structure packing is shown on the screen for better clarifications. Okay? Now moving on towards its advantages. The first advantage is even liquid distribution, which enhances the efficiency of separation process. Okay guys, now the second advantage is they are having a high tensile strength, and due to which they are suitable for large diameter columns and challenging applications. Okay guys? And guys, the perforated plate structure packing has a disadvantage, which is they can be more complex to manufacture and install compared to the simple packings. Okay guys, so this was a brief about perforated plate structured packings. Now the third type of structured packing is protruded plate structured packings. Guys, the protruded plate structure packing is a specialized type of perforated plate packings where the plates are designed with protrusions. Guys, these protrusions improve the filtration efficiency by enhancing the liquid distribution and vapor liquid contact. In simple words, guys, you can think of it like an advanced version of perforated plate structure packing, where because of the protrusions, they possess improved filtration efficiency by enhancing the liquid distribution and vapor liquid contact. Okay? Guys, the advantage of this type of structure packing is that they have improved separation performances, means enhanced filtration efficiency. Okay? And guys, this type of packing are better for high liquid loading applications, and that is because of the improved liquid distributions. Okay? So guys, these were the two advantages, which was enhanced filtration efficiency and improved liquid distribution. Talking about the disadvantages, the first disadvantage is they have higher cost due to the specialized design. And guys, due to the presence of protrusions, they require additional maintenance, and which is also a disadvantage for it. Okay? So guys, this was all about structured packing in pack column distillation, where we discuss about the three types of structured packing, which were wire gauze structured packing, then perforated plate structured packing, and the protruded plate structured packing. Now guys, moving on to the second half of this video, which is talking about the random packings. Guys, random packing consists of packing material that is added to the column without any specific arrangement. They are randomly placed into the distillation column. And guys, this type of packing is flexible and easier to install, though it may not offer the same efficiency as structured packing, but provides some of the key differences where we can choose the random packing in contradictory to the structured packings. In simple words, guys, random packing compared to the structured packing are just random objects which are placed into the distillation column to have the vapor liquid contact for the separation of the liquids. Got it, guys? Talking in more detail about the random packing, guys, first of all we are going to look at the types of random packing. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the 4 type of random packing, from which firstly we are going to discuss at the racing ring, then the ball ring, then bird saddle ring, and at last proprietary shapes. Okay, guys, so now let's get started with the types of random packing. We are going to begin with the racing ring. Guys, racing ring are one of the earliest form of random packing. They are simple, hollow, cylindrical rings. Guys, these type of rings are known for their robustness. They are effective for various separation processes, though they might have lower efficiency compared to the new type of packings. Okay, guys, you all can see the racing ring which is displayed on the screen. These type of racing ring are dumped into the packed distillation column randomly just to have the liquid vapor contact, and that will help in separation of the mixture from one another. Okay, guys, talking about the advantages of racing ring, the first advantage is they are easy to manufacture and install. Means the advantage is simplicity. Talking about the second advantage is they are suitable for a wide range of applications. So guys, the 2 advantages of racing ring are simplicity and robustness. Okay, talking about the disadvantage of racing ring, this type of ring may have lower efficiencies compared to the modern packing materials. Means they lack in efficiency of separations, which is compared to the modern packing materials. Okay, now guys, moving on towards the next type of random packing, which is ball ring. Guys, to understand ball ring in a simpler way, it is just an advancement of our racing ring. Okay, these type of rings include punch holes, and that enhances the gas liquid contact and reduce the pressure drops. Guys, they are particularly effective in applications requiring high capacity and efficiencies. Okay, so guys, ball rings are advanced version of racing ring which have punched hole on their surfaces, and that is to have enhanced gas liquid contact and reduce the pressure drop compared to the racing ring. Okay, guys, talking about the advantages of ball rings, they have holes on it which increases the surface area for better performance. Means they have improved the contact area. Then talking about the second advantage, they are better suited for high capacity applications, so they have higher efficiency compared to the other type of rings. Okay, and talking about the disadvantage, guys, ball rings can be more expensive compared to the racing ring. Okay, now guys, moving on towards the third type of random packing, which is ball saddle. Guys, ball saddle are designed to enhance the flow distribution and reduce the pressure drop. Guys, this shape improves the vapor liquid contact and is most commonly used in applications requiring improved flow distribution. Okay, guys, talking about the advantages of ball saddle, the first is better performance in distributing the flow. That means they have enhanced the flow distribution. And guys, the second advantage is they are effective in reducing energy cost because of having reduced pressure drops. Okay, and talking about the disadvantage of ball saddle, their performance can vary based on the materials, as they are material sensitive. Okay, now talking about the last type of random packing, which is proprietary shapes. Guys, proprietary random packings like interlock saddle, high pack rings are specially designed to offer specific performance advantages. And guys, these type of packing are used in specialized applications to provide improved efficiency. Okay, guys, just to clear you that the packings which we discussed now which were random packing, ball ring, ball saddle. Then proprietary shapes includes the interlock saddle, high pack ring. These all type of random packing are randomly placed into the distillation column, means they are randomly filled into the distillation column, packed distillation column, which is just to have vapor liquid contact. Okay guys, getting back, we were discussing about the proprietary shapes, where we discussed that proprietary random packing includes the interlock saddle, high pack ring, and these type of rings or packings are specially designed to have specific performance advantages. Okay guys, talking about the advantages of proprietary shapes, they are designed for specific application, means they have a tailored performance. Okay, and guys, this type of packing often offers better performance than the standard random packings, which means they have enhanced efficiency compared to the ball saddle or rushing ring or ball ring, typical rings. Okay, then guys, talking about the disadvantage, as you all know that this type of packing are designed for specific applications, they are generally more expensive due to their specific designs. So talking about cost point of view, they are most expensive compared to the typical random packings. Okay, so guys, this was a brief about the 4 type of random packings. So guys, till now we have discussed about the 3 type of structured packing which are used in packed distillation column, and 4 type of random packings which can also be used in packed distillation column. Guys, talking about now the application and considerations, guys, you must all take care that when selecting this type of packing for a packed column, consider factors such as separation processes, then the characteristic of fluid which is to be processed in the column, and the cost. Okay guys, structured packing is often chosen for high efficiency separation, while random packing is preferred for application where flexibility and cost are more critical. Okay guys, simple, clear to you? So guys, that's all for this video where we discuss about the structured packing, random packing which are used in packed distillation column, and we also discuss about their types in brief. Okay guys, so thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. Hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. And guys, for more video related to chemical engineering, process engineering, chemical safety, industrial safety, you can subscribe to this channel. And guys, as always, feel free to leave any questions or comment down below. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.